morning friends. In this video we are going to see about a prashna. That is a prashna which happened in minutes or hours. As we all know, we have classified prashna into two categories. One is events which are happening in days or weeks, and events which are happening in hours or minutes. As we promised, we will be posting 100 prashnas in each category. So today we are going to see a third prashna in hours or minutes category. Before going into the video, I request all the viewers who are watching this video to subscribe who are not yet done, and also press the bell button and select all notification so that you will be notified whenever we post the videos. So now going into the prashna, here the question is when power will come. That's a simple question. So now we have 7 steps in prashna. We will go one by one. Here the person was residing in his house and he was asking when power will come in my house. So house and power are the subject matter of this prashna. So now the first step is question should be reflected in the natural zodiac. So now the lagna is Cancer. That is 4th house in natural zodiac, which represents the house. And second step, lagna should indicate the question. Here the lagna is Moon and Saturn. Moon is lord of 1 in 9, Saturn is lord of 7 and 8 in 7. So 8 is indicating some obstruction difficulties. Now the third step is Moon should indicate the question. Here Moon is lord of 1 placed in 9 and is in the constellation of Mercury, which is the lord of 3 and 12 in 8. 3, 8, 12. These are indicating some repair, disturbance and everything. And it is also Moon is conjoined with Venus, one of the karaka for electricity, and is being aspected by Mars. That is also one of the karaka for electricity. So the question is reflected in Moon also. Now fourth step, there should be a connection between lagna and 311 lords. Here the lagna is Moon and Saturn, and 311 lords are Mercury and Venus. Here there is no direct connection, but the Moon is in the constellation of Mercury. Mercury is also the third lord. So there is a connection between lagna, that is an indirect connection between lagna and 311 lords. So the fourth step is also tallied. So we can proceed to the next step, which is the fifth step, whether the event will happen or not. Here the lagna lord is placed in the 9th house and aspecting the 3rd house along with the karaka planet, which is also the 11th lord. So the lagna is well protected and strong. So the event will happen. So Moon and Saturn are placed in 311. So the event will happen in days, we should say. Now in the 6th step, we have seen Sun. As we have seen in the previous examples, whenever lagna lord or karaka planet is placed in the 2nd house to Sun, the event will happen immediately. So here the event will not take days, rather it will take few minutes. But Saturn is also aspecting the lagna lord, so the minutes will be changed to hours. So the event will happen and it will occur in hours. That is our observation. Now the 7th step is timing of event. So for the small prashnas, we can directly take the lagna and answer the question. Here lagna is Moon Saturn and 3rd lord is Mercury and 11th lord is Venus. So Moon, Venus and Rahu are placed in the constellation of Mercury, and Mars and Jupiter are placed in the constellation of Venus. So these are the planets that are going to help us in the fructification of event. Here Mercury is placed in 8th house, so we will eliminate it. Rahu is placed in 12th house, so we will eliminate it. So we are left out with Moon, Venus, Mars and Jupiter. So now since Sun is occupying the 8th house and the next house to Sun is occupied by Lagna Lord and Karaka planet, so the event will happen immediately. Here the Lagna is Cancer. So minutes means we should have taken Mercury is been eliminated. So the next constellation is Leo, where Ketu is placed. Ketu is not in our list. And the next is Venus. Venus is in our list. So by the time the Lagna would have changed, and the time will be also in hours. So we will fix the power will come in Venus constellation in Leo Lagna. So now we have fixed the star, that is the constellation. Now we have to fix Upagraha. Here we have left out with Moon, Venus, Mars and Jupiter. Moon, Venus we have already selected, so we are left out with Moon, Mars and Jupiter. Here Jupiter is placed in his own house, so and it is very strong when compared to Moon and Mars. That's it. So the power will come in Venus and Jupiter Upagraha, which is 20 degrees approximately in Leo Lagna. 20 degrees means 1 hour, 20 into 4, 80. So 1 hour 20 minutes. So here the Lagna will be over by 5:16. Cancer will be over by 5:16. And 5:16 to 7:16 it will be Leo Lagna. So adding 1 hour 20 minutes to 5:16, it will be 6:36. So 6:36 Guru Upagraha starts and it will move up to 6:44. So here the power comes at 6:41 or 2. So this is how we will arrive at timing of event in case of small prasnas. So you can try this, and if you have any doubts you can post in the comment section. We will reply in 2 to 4 days, and also if you have any queries you can post in WhatsApp, which will reply in weekends. If a weekend is missed, we will reply in the another weekend. So thanks for your continued support. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Thank you, take care and bye.